We know.
We're looking blickety black.
We're looking blickety black.
Anyway, good morning, everybody.
Morning.
We realized that yesterday we didn't really get back to y'all after we left for dinner. Whole long story. We didn't vlog dinner.
Basically.
Secondly, the dinner wasn't worth vlogging. I'll tell you that now.
It wasn't a major disappointment with my meal. My meal wasn't bad. I think it's just like yesterday we were on, the far end of the spectrum. Like, this Vietnamese one that we had at lunchtime was too salty. The one we had in the evening had no salt at all. So I was like, but we don't want to be rude and ask for like salt and pepper because they were so nice, That moment you feel bad. So I ate as much as I could, even though it wasn't going down our mouth. And I remember like when he was coming to get the bill, I was like, oh, you finished already? The typical finish, because everyone was finishing like their food and they were like,
people were being given buns to like finish off the leftovers on their plates.
Beautiful. And I was like,
I'm
barely trying to I'm barely managing to swallow this down. But anyway, it wasn't too bad. It wasn't that great either. It was good for what it was, but it wasn't all that. But yeah.
But now we are dressed. We've had our breakfast. We've done our makeup and
we're
stuff.
nearly late for breakfast as well. That's another thing. We woke up so late. Like I woke up at 5 a.m, 6 a.m. I woke up at 8 a.m, switched off the alarm, and then we woke up late at like 9:15. And breakfast was finishing at 10.
And we had to run down for breakfast.
Had to quickly put on something, get our hair combed and blah blah blah, and we went down. So yeah.
So now we've had a shower, got dressed and everything, and we're about to go for a walk around Arrecife, around the beachfront.
Yes, which our last walk, guys, for today. We haven't really. I hope I don't burn my feet again. But we're going to go to the beach later on, and hopefully up to the pool area if we have time. Because today seems like we're not on a rota, we don't have a schedule, so we're just kind of winging the day. But let's hope everything goes well. Guys, we will keep you updated, and we will be doing a street walk because we haven't really taken a video of walking down the street, have we?
This street? No, we haven't.
That one, the one to our left. And we're going to stand on this place that's overlooking the sea. Maybe we'll chill there for a bit. But yeah, guys, so we'll keep you updated on the plans today.
That's it. Bye. Okay guys, so these are just our outfits for the day. Just something cute.
Nothing very nothing too extra. So this one, we got this shirt of Primark. Got this.
Why are you telling me where I got my stuff? I'm joking, I did get it from Primark. This is from New Look, and that's from what, Primark?
This is from Primark, shoes are from Shein, earrings are from Lavisa, and the sandals, shoes are from Primark.
These earrings, these daisy earrings, guys, are from Shein. Let's go. Let the day begin.
We're not extra, just super affordable.
Yeah.
But look good at the same time.
Alright, let's get the day cracking.
Hi guys, so we've just left the hotel and we are on a walk. Basically, we're taking a walk to a different side of town that we haven't been to yet. I don't think there's really much to see when you go around the corner. But we're gonna go have a look anyway, and then we're gonna walk to the other side to go take pictures. So we'll see, and we'll keep you guys updated. Awesome.
Okay guys, so we got to the end of that bridge thing that we were walking on, and we're in some place. It's got this little garden thingy going on and whatever, but don't really know what it is. But anyway, we're gonna explore. We see people coming out, so it seems like it's some touristy attraction thing or a museum. I don't know, but there's no sign outside, is there? So we're just gonna explore and see. Follow me. The view from here, guys, is absolutely beautiful. It is lovely. I still don't know what this is.
I think it's a restaurant. I'm seeing tables.
Are you sure? Do you want to walk round? After we went to that museum yesterday, I saw that turtle. It's just
broke my heart.
I know, and I feel like not that it was something I was really bad for, but it was something that I didn't really put much focus on. But when I saw that turtle, guys, trying to swim for dear life with one fin, it literally just
it was horrible, guys. Like the turtle was trying to swim for its life and she couldn't make it. So please, it was
throw away plastic in the recycle bins, guys.
And try to reduce the plastic use, to be honest. Any alternatives, or have a reusable bag, or just something like, I don't know, just every little counts.
So what's
video mapping
thing.
It was basically where we're in like this massive dome room kind of thing, and they kind of like play videos of like the sea, the ocean, the animals, and everything on a projector. It looks so real though. It looks like you're like seeing the sea and everything that's happening. But anyway, someone's gonna show us what's next.
Right, we're gonna walk out. So yeah, nice exit, right?
salida. Well, I think so. So guys, we're just outside in this foyer place thingy, and okay, people are walking that way, and we're just kind of, it says no entry over here though, so okay, just walk. We're just walking.
Can you see? I can't see.
No, not really, it's blinding me. Hi guys, so we have just walked in this pool area. It looks like it was once a pool.
I'll turn around.
Kind of thing. Well, they are filling it up with water. I don't know if people actually come here to swim or if it's just decorative.
Because it was empty when we got here, but now they're filling it up with water, so.
You know, there's like 10 million signs that say no entry, but the people who are working here not telling us to like
not walk, so we're walking.
Some of them have told us to like giving us the go ahead, so we're walking anyway. So we're walking in this maze like kind of place. It looks like it used to be some form of building that just kind of
didn't they just build this up like now? I don't know. I actually don't know.
Do you see like all
the little stairs, yeah,
and, like,
and the little domes.
Things. It looks like it was housing, or are they doing that to create an effect? I don't know.
But the view, guys, from here is absolutely stunning. I'm just gonna.
The steps. That's the sad part.
Yeah.
Entry, but we'll follow the path anyway, and we'll see what we can see. To be honest, just take a view, Lusanda, of the city. Give them a view.
It's absolutely lovely. Like, look at that.
Look at it. You know what? We might actually end up finding other restaurants, but I quite like the rooftop.
Yeah.
I don't know where we're going. I'm just following that man and that woman.
Follow them.
They don't walk you. I can't see them no more. We need to speed it up a bit.
Follow the path. You can't go wrong if you follow a path, babes.
Follow the path. It reminds me of that movie. What children told us.
Can't really hear you. Oh, guys, I really wonder what these things are. There's like all these little semicircle things like dotted around this place, and we don't really know what they're for.
Oh my days, a gecko.
Really?
Come see it. Zoom in.
Yeah.
Right there. I mean, they did say this place. Can you get it?
I got it, yeah. Take a picture of him.
I mean, they do say that this place is very... Oh, I don't want him to move. Oh!
He gone. He made noise. Keep walking.
Well, he's seeing something he can... Bright colours that kind of reflect the sun.
It
otherwise
is very, very, very hot.
Yeah. I've only been here for like 3 days, but I feel like I'm just going to go back with such a...
We've reached the end. Seems like, yeah, this little lighthouse is the end of the track. I'll show you the lighthouse. This is it over there.
Right, guys, take some pictures.
Is this like the original lighthouse? Is this what it is?
I really don't know. What I'm wondering is who can actually get up there. Do you see how tiny the door is?
Stop it.
Yeah, it has steps. guys, so we're walking up this bridge thing again, a different bridge on the other side of the other bridge that we just went on. So if you see in the distance, that is the lighthouse that we were on like 5 minutes ago, and now we
like 15 minutes ago.
are walking.
You're walking at a snail's pace.
I'm all hopped out today, guys, because it's warm and I was feeling a bit like dehydrated and a bit
People swimming in there. Is that not
dizzy as well. I mean, it seems like he's going in again. One woman is dragging a suitcase or whatever it is, those granny bag things. Okay, so guys, here is this museum. I don't know what it is. Are we going on the right pathway? People seem to be going the other way. Well, we'll see where it takes us anyway.
There's nothing that says no entry over there. Or was there? I see a sign over there.
Was it stop?
No, the one here. On this side, what did that say? What did that actually say?
I don't know. But we'll have to see, guys. I mean, how did that boy get over there? He must have crossed here at some point. But yeah. Guys, it's not bad. Wait, I am seeing a board in the distance where I'll read what it says when we get closer. So yeah, guys, we're just walking from over here, and yeah. My days, if you can see my face right now, I'm sweating really badly, like profusely. I don't know, but hopefully we get to where we're getting when Sandra's finished taking pictures.
Don't stop with me.
But yeah, guys, today's been a good day. It's more of a chilled day. Yesterday was a very hectic, running to catch the bus, having strict deadlines and a strict schedule. Today is more just walking about, just seeing places we've never seen. Nelly said seeing places we never saw. Does that make sense? I don't know. Between us, so yeah.
Seeing places you've never seen.
Alright. Yeah, so guys, yeah, we're just on our way. Nothing much to see, to be honest, over here. But
I feel like you're giving the viewers brain damage right now. The way you're shaking the screen, the way you're shaking the crab, you're like. Alright, guys, so we've just reached the end of that little bridge that Asavilla was talking about. We are at a museum by the looks of it.
Museo. It's called the Museo de Historia, so the historical museum. Most museums are for history anyway. But
well, they're not gonna be museums of the future, are they? Okay, guys, let Asavilla give her a break, because
guys, I've been holding this tripod all day. My feet hurt, I'm cold, I'm wet, and I'm going home. I'm kidding. No, but what happened yesterday, when we were walking on the sand, my feet really got burnt. And even today, I'm wearing like comfortable, spongy shoes, but I'm feeling it. Every time when I'm stepping on the floor, it's so painful.
Let's get a zoom in of those feet, y'all.
Oh my day. No, don't get my chipped nail. Don't get my chipped nail. No!
I'm joking.
You know, I think I gave the I don't know, what do you call the people who do your nails, pedicure person, a heart attack that day. She looks at this nail, the guy, like, because he has to pull your leg out of the water. So I wanted to repair this nail. Lysandra as a birthday treat took me there, right? So he looks at this nail and he's polishing it, he's grinding it, and he's scared to touch it. And I'm like, I don't know what to do. But they said I should come back in a month's time and hopefully they can sort it out in
and that
some
is
way.
the story of Asavilla's broken nail, y'all, which we didn't need to know whilst we're on the holidays.
Right, so we are at this historical museum, and yeah, so Lysandra's taking over the videoizing because right now, like, I'm just holding so many things.
First of all, I was holding that 2 seconds ago, don't even lie.
Girl, don't start with me. Don't start with me, Tarika. So anyway, we're walking up. Hopefully this dress doesn't fly away.
the museum where...
So this is where I suppose they would kind of like keep an eye on the enemy.
Yeah, and there's like a cannon here, so they probably would have been firing this out, you know, when pirate ships were coming and stuff. And what's that little door there? This is probably where they might have kept their ammunition and things, maybe.
It's got a little map in there, I don't know if you can see it.
No, I don't know. But guys, the view from up here is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, sorry. Just walked up the stairs. But yeah, this is the side we haven't even explored yet. So we've come from all the way that side with that tall building, if you guys remember. And at the start we were right there, if you can see that little lighthouse, and we've walked all the way, and we came over here. But from up here, around here, you can see the part of the town that we haven't even explored yet. So that just goes to show you how big Arrecife actually is, guys.
It goes on and on and on. I'm like,
guys, the ocean water is absolutely beautiful. Like,
it's absolutely, and it looks so nice and shallow. Like, you can see the rocks underneath and everything.
Alright then guys, we've just finished the tour of the museum behind us. Now we're going to continue walking down the street of Arrecife.
Right, so we're walking back, guys, and we're going to continue touring in this lovely city. And yeah, hoping that we can find some interesting things to look at and do. And yeah, we're just gonna continue to. I need to put these sunglasses on because it is really hot, and it was really warm in that museum place. But yeah, we're gonna continue walking and we'll keep you guys updated. So guys, we're walking. We've just seen a little restaurant place where we can get something to drink because it's really hot. We're gonna sit there for a bit, cool down, and then make our way back to the hotel and relax a bit before dinner. Hi guys, hope you're doing well. So we are on our way to have dinner, so our last dinner basically for the holiday, and we are going to a restaurant called 17 Blue across the road at Arrecife Grand Hotel. So guys, we'll see you there. Let's go. At the Grand Hotel, we're just going to the restaurant 17 Blue. Guys, this is so bougie. It's like so ironic, 17 Blue, but yeah guys, we'll keep you updated and see how the food is looking, but I can guess it's going to be quite, yeah. but we didn't. So yeah, we're just taking over the sun, and hopefully we're gonna get to dip our feet if it's not too cold.
It's too cold.
And oh no, but I think my feet need it because I got burned the other day, so I think it would do me good to kind of like dip my feet in. But yeah, we'll see how everything goes, and we'll keep you guys updated. So, oh, this feels quite good actually.
Hi guys, good morning. So it's our final morning. This is the day that we're flying out to Manchester.
4:30 a.m. and we are set to the bus is here to pick us up at 5:30, but we're up early because I think we're gonna go down at like maybe 5 o'clock to go down to the main hall and wait to there, and then yeah, we are setting off at 8 and we should be in Manchester at about 12 p.m. Yeah, 12:15.
12:15.
Yeah, guys, we'll keep you guys updated. I am a bit upset as a Tulislander. I think like today should have been the final day and we go tomorrow. Is that I think the problem is that like we booked this holiday like kind of last minute, so we thought to ourselves like because we're so desperate for a holiday, oh yeah, maybe 2 days is okay, maybe 3 nights is alright, but when you see like the actual area, you realize it's not enough.
It's not enough.
But had a great time in the night.
We did.
Yeah,
and we're just sitting around
to fly, getting ready to go to airport in a bit soon. Hey guys,
thank you so much for watching all the way through.
Thank you.
Please remember to
like, comment and subscribe, guys. Please share to your friends and please follow us on Instagram. We are the Ndims Ltd, and yeah, that's it really.
Looking forward to releasing some new stuff.
See ya. Hunchos.